Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a comfortable, modern Jetta that's as fun to drive as it is practical. This refined, compact sedan delivers delightful performance while its driver assist safety features help you protect your most precious cargo. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, vehicle anti-theft system, stability control. Feel energized and confident in this well-equipped Jetta. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.